So I'm currently about to get my hair done because this is literally disgusting. Like, my roots are so grown out. And if that's the only stable thing I can have in my life, I'm gonna money. Why can't I speak?
Where did Hannah go?
You have been lying to us.
I never did say I made lasagna homemade. I've always bought the lasagna frozen.
You bought lasagna?
You thought I was making it myself?
Wow, you think you know somebody.
So I'm gonna crack an Easter egg on my head. It's been in the fridge, by the way.
So Connor's starting to draw, and this is his progress. First, he drew a peach. Then he drew our dog Tuco.
You ready?
Yeah. Then he drew our dog Edna. Are you proud?
Very. I'm an impressionist.
Kick, 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 kick. Do you know what I'm saying? Pull and
So I just realized that the coronavirus very well could start shutting down grocery stores, which means we'd have to go hunt for our food. I don't even know where chicken nuggets live. What the fuck?
They gave me clown juice instead of Coke.
Story time. When I was in high school, sophomore year, I took an apple that I got at lunch and I threw it against the wall and it bounced off the wall and it came back and I caught it with my teeth. First try. A teacher saw me do that. She came up to me and she told me that I would never amount to anything in my entire life because all I do is play around too much. I was just like, but I'm getting my daily dose of fruits in. She's just like, don't talk back to me. Guess what I did yesterday? To prove her wrong, guess what I did? I ran that bitch over with my car.
Since I'm beyond sick and tired of people telling me to brush my hair because it's frizzy, let me show you how frizzy a motherfucker gets when I really do brush it. Motherfucker.
Hi everyone, I'm so bored that if I don't do something right now, I think I might end my life. So I'm going to try and crack this apple in half with my hands because that's a thing that normal people do, I guess. Oh, it's so fucking close. I just made it into a hole. What? I'm so confused. I don't know what, it's just mushing into the middle. Wait, let me slip a finger in there. It's not working. Oh, I did it. Fuck you.
Knowing you on.
Alright, never mind.
Knowing you on. I specifically requested knowing you off.
Doing? What are you doing? Why are you breaking my gaming chair?
Alec, please help.
Why? Oh, babe, let me try your gaming chair. I know what I'm doing. This thing's stupid. Oh, ew.
I wish my foot had the power to kill you. Poo. Poo.
Bryson, I need your highest note.
You don't have a double chin. What you do have is bad posture. So all you need to do is 2 steps. Bring your shoulders up, back, and down. Bring your chin slightly forward and then slightly down, and look at the difference that makes.
I think I'm losing my mind. Trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running the play.
So I bought a fucking vibrator. You learn new shit every day. Did you guys know they're not really for measuring vibes?
Stop.
Can I eat it?
Yes. When this, wait, I don't even know the lyrics.
Yeah, man, it's actually been insane. I love it. Stop yelling! What the fuck? You're gonna wake up Dad! I can hear you all the way from my room! Mom, you're gonna wake him up. Be quiet.
One more time. One more time. Wait, no, that's not it. Run it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Wow, and it's only 7:30 at night.
I sleep because I'm tired.
No, you're depressed.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god.
Turn around, turn around.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Joe, where's your phone at?
It's in my pocket.
You gotta come back.
Alright.
Can I trust you to come back? Okay, John.
Why you think it's funny to laugh at me? I dare y'all bitch ass to do it again, bitch.
So Henry got this really cool bow staff today. I was like, damn, what else can you do with it? And he started doing some really cool tricks with it, you know, some basics. And then this happened.
Drew, if I open up this fridge, what am I gonna find?
You're gonna find wine slushies because I brought wine slushies. They're slushies made of wine, nigga.
Let's see the different names my dog will come to. Lord Farquaad.
Aunt Jemima.
Hey.
Hodor.
Oh my god, oh my god.
He's faster than speed. He is light.
Boyfriend will be Tom Holland because not only does he have money, but he's also really sexy. The Weeknd, girl, who the hell?
I have a question for the psychology people on this app. Can you take an emotion and replace it with another emotion? Because if that's the case, I think I might have replaced all of my emotions with humor.
Kermit. What the hell is that?
Mind your business, bitch.
Okay, stick your hand out, palm facing up. Now get your palm to face down without twisting your wrist. Okay, it worked though.
There's people back there taking family photos. I don't know why they take photos at a barn. It doesn't make any sense. It's like, yeehaw, let's ride 'em, cowboy. Hello. Oh, they looked at me. That's very awkward for me. I look kind of weird upside down. I should do a side flip. Wait, I'm scared. No, I'm not. I thought they were talking to me. Oh, I finished my Gatorade. My mom keeps buying them and saying they're for Corona, but I keep sneaking and drinking them because I like the way Gatorade tastes. She also doesn't let me have caffeine, and I don't understand why. Actually, I do understand why. If I had caffeine...
Let me see what it looks like. Watch out. Oh my god. What the fuck?